All right, so let's take a look at how would we upload an assignment. So let's go to our classwork. Let's find an assignment that we need to complete. We're going to click on it, and then we can either open with Cami if you've downloaded the Cami extension, and then you can write on it, and then you can save. Oh. So I need to create my own copy. There we go. As long as the teacher didn't already create one for you. So now I've got mine. I'm going to save. And then I can pick where I want to save it to. I can even download it. So you can download it into or save it into like a Google Drive folder. And I'm going to save now. Okay. And then I can go back here. View assignment. So now I'm going to add it and then I can mark it as done. So I'm going to click add and I can go to my Google Drive, which is where I just saved that copy right there in my Google Drive. Now, if I didn't have it there, I could upload it from whatever folder I had it in. And then insert. And then turn it in. And then I'd click done. I can also add a comment with it. So that's one way to do it. Let's take a look at the downloading. So if I click here, if I click the print button, then I have more options here. So I can click the download or you can print it. I'm going to go ahead and download it and then I'm going to save it to a folder that I know where it is. So my math folder that I've got labeled, and this I'm going to label quiz practice. If I could type, turn in. Okay, so I'm just going to save mine to the desktop for right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where I had that folder. I'm going to open that folder and I'm going to right click. I can get to my assignment. Here we go. Right click that assignment. And then I'm going to go down to open with Microsoft Edge. This is the other option if you're wanting to do some writing through Edge. It's got the writing and then erase. And then when you save it, you want to save as. Don't just click the save as with the little pen. And then maybe your initials with it, because you want to save it as something different so it saves your ink. Okay, and then make sure you're in the folder that you want it to be in and save. Now you'll go back to Google Classroom and you will add, and you will go to either File, or even you can get to it through Google Drive, and then Upload, and then Browse, and then you will find it in the folder that you saved it, and make sure you find the one that you did your writing on. And there it is with my initials, and then I would open. And then it's loading, and then I click turn in. Okay, the other thing that you can do is you can download it, or you can just open it and write on your own paper, making sure that you clearly label each problem and your work is easy to be seen. There's no, and your handwriting is clear, because if it can't be read, it can't be graded. And I'm not going to struggle to read. So make sure things are very clear if that's the avenue you're going. And then you can take a picture with your phone. And if you download the Google Classroom app, you can actually just click, when you go to the Turnitin, there's an option to just take a picture with your phone and scan it that way and upload it directly with that app. So I will show that to you in just a second. All right, so it's not letting me switch to actually show my screen or my camera. So I'm going to walk you through verbally. Basically, when you open the app and you click on that assignment or that class, then you go to classwork at the bottom. It's the middle icon, it says classwork. Then you click on the assignment, and then we click on, or we swipe up. There's a bottom, it says your work. That's where you can add a comment. You swipe up, and then it says add attachment. And so you can click on add attachment, and then you can click use camera. And then you allow it, okay, and then you can take a photo. Make sure that you have good lighting and it's clear that it can be seen. And then you click Turnitin. Also, an option on an iPhone is the Notes app. You can use that to actually scan a document. So if you go to the Notes app and you go to a new note, there's a camera, it's the middle icon again, and click the top option, Scan Documents, and then position it, again, making sure that you have clear light, things are easy to see, and then take your picture. And you can continue to take pictures, and it will put all of those pages into one document, and then you can save it and save it to a file on your phone, and then you can upload that way if that's easier. If you have like a Google Drive folder on your phone, you could save things into that and then easily upload it maybe through your computer. So one of the easiest ways is to use that Cami extension because you don't have to open with Edge or download it. You can just open it in the Cami. So how do you get the Cami extension? So just basically go and open Google and then Cami with a K, and then it's Kami extension, and then just Google that, and it's the top option there, and then it'll open your Chrome web store. And I already have it, but if you didn't have it, you would add it, and then it will become an option when you open a document to be able to have it and write on it. So please reach out if you have any questions, but hopefully this helps you when you go to upload an assignment or quiz.